Hi! In front of me is REALME C30 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this REALME device. First of all, you need to find clock and click on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this blue plus icon. From here you can set up an hour and save it by choosing OK. Now click on days of the week that you wish to set up, tap on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations, and you can also click on this little icon next to Google Assistant routine to add your alarm to it. Then choose Alt Label, label your alarm however you want to, click on OK and tap on default. From here you can select one of those options or choose dismiss and tap on the best sound for you, like that one. Then go back. If you want to, you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time choose add new, click on the top left corner, choose one of those sources, like downloads, tap on the song that you wish to set up, and go back again. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. In order to disable it, click on this switcher. You can enable it the same way. If you want to delete it though, choose this delete icon at the bottom left corner. If you want to adjust even more alarm settings, you can do that by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting settings and managing all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!